if you have integrity. You're going to put the client first, right? It's about what the client needs, not about what you need. It's about what does that client need? What's that desire for that client, right? And so to build a relationship, I tell them all the time, it's not like close the sale. It's build a relationship. And how do I start doing that? By showing her that I'm educated, I'm prepared. I have options for you. Look out for her. Recommend what's best for her as a professional, right? And then also help them figure out ways to pay. Just like taking care of somebody in your family. You want the best for them. Right. You're going to have all these options for them. The same with this business and with these clients with hair loss. And as you do that, they feel that. They see that. They know when you just penny pinching them. They know when you just about the money. They feel that. So just like with any other relationship, it takes time. And as time go on, they trust you more and more and more. Then it gets to the point, whatever you recommend, they go for it. They want it. They're going to do it.